BMW R 1300 GS, more powerful, lighter, and refined. BMW Motorrad continues its reign in the touring enduro segment with the completely redesigned R 1300 GS. This impressive machine sheds 12 kilograms compared to its predecessor while packing a significant performance punch. The legendary two-cylinder boxer engine remains at the core of the R 1300 GS. A new, more compact design is achieved by positioning the gearbox under the engine and implementing a novel camshaft drive arrangement. This powerhouse generates 107 kilowatts, 145 horsepower, at 7,750 revolutions per minute and a whopping 149 Newton-meters of torque at 6,500 revolutions per minute, making it the most powerful BMW boxer engine ever produced for mass production. The new R 1300 GS boasts a completely revamped suspension system. The centerpiece is a space-optimized sheet metal shell mainframe made of steel, offering superior stiffness compared to the previous model. The rear frame transitions from a tubular steel structure to a lightweight die-cast aluminum design. Honda Goldwing 1800 Tour. Honda's luxurious Goldwing Tour, a flagship completely reborn in 2024 with radical weight reduction, double wishbone front suspension, and brand new, flat six-cylinder engine, glides into 2025 essentially unchanged. The comprehensive spec sheet includes 6-speed manual or 7-speed DCT, 7-inch TFT screen, gyro compass navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, electric screen, smart key operation, 4 riding modes, HSTC, and Hill Start Assist, underlining its status as a flag bearer for new technology. Setting a new benchmark for handling and character, the all-new Triumph Rocket 3R delivers incredible control, comfort, and capability. Providing instantaneous, world-leading torque that's an amazing 71% higher than the closest competition, the Rocket 3 serves up effortless acceleration and response in any gear, with a flat, rich curve that reaches its peak at 4,000 revolutions per minute and then holds maximum torque through the mid-range. Peak power is 164 HP at 6,000 revolutions per minute, 11% up on the previous generation, with more power from a low 3,500 revolutions per minute and up to a new higher redline of 7,000 revolutions per minute, making the Rocket 3R an unparalleled thrilling riding experience with all-day, any gear, breathtaking capability. On top of its unbeatable performance, the new Rocket 3R has an incredible pure muscular presence and magnificent cruiser style, together with beautiful details and a premium finish. Beneath its classic exterior lies a robust heart in the form of a powerful engine. The Brixton Cromwell 1200 is equipped with a responsive 1,200cc twin-cylinder engine, delivering ample torque and horsepower to satisfy both urban cruising and open-road adventures. Whether navigating city streets or carving through winding countryside roads, this motorcycle offers a thrilling riding experience with its smooth power delivery and agile handling. The Brixton Cromwell 1200 doesn't compromise on rider comfort. It features a well-padded, contoured seat designed for long hours in the saddle, ensuring fatigue-free riding even on extended journeys. The ergonomics are thoughtfully crafted to provide a relaxed riding position, enhancing both control and comfort, whether riding solo or with a passenger. At At the heart of the BMW K160 GT beats a formidable 1,649cc inline six-cylinder engine, renowned for its smooth power delivery and robust performance characteristics. The engine is liquid-cooled and features electronic fuel injection (EFI) for optimal efficiency and throttle response across a wide range of riding conditions. Power output is impressive, generating approximately 160 horsepower, ensuring ample acceleration and highway cruising capability. Power is transmitted to the rear wheel through a smooth shifting 6-speed gearbox, complemented by a hydraulically operated wet clutch system that enhances ride comfort and control. The transmission setup is engineered to handle the K1600 GT's substantial power output while maintaining effortless gear changes and precise engagement. At the heart of the Honda CB1100 rupees beats a powerful 1,140cc inline four-cylinder engine, known for its smooth power delivery and exhilarating performance characteristics. The air-cooled engine design pays homage to Honda's iconic CB series motorcycles while incorporating modern technology such as electronic fuel injection (EFI) for optimal fuel efficiency and responsive throttle control. The engine produces approximately 89 horsepower and ample torque across the rev range, ensuring spirited acceleration and a thrilling ride. Power is transmitted to the rear wheel through a precise 6-speed gearbox, offering seamless gear changes and precise control over the CB1100 RS's substantial power output. The wet multi-plate clutch system enhances ride comfort and engagement, complementing the bike's smooth shifting transmission for a dynamic riding experience. The Honda CB1100 rupees features a robust steel double cradle frame that provides exceptional rigidity and stability, enhancing handling and maneuverability on various road surfaces. Suspension duties are handled by high-quality components, typically featuring adjustable front forks and rear shocks to accommodate rider preferences and road conditions. This setup ensures a balanced ride, whether cruising through city streets or carving through twisty mountain roads. Triumph Bonneville T120 beats a powerful 1,200cc liquid-cooled parallel twin engine. This high-torque engine is tuned for responsive performance across the rev range, delivering approximately 79 horsepower and impressive low-end torque. The engine features electronic fuel injection for smooth throttle response and enhanced fuel efficiency, ensuring a rewarding riding experience whether cruising through city streets or embarking on long-distance journeys. Power is transmitted to the rear wheel through a slick 6-speed gearbox, allowing for precise gear changes and optimal control over the T120's power delivery. The wet multi-plate clutch system enhances ride comfort and engagement, complementing the bike's smooth shifting transmission for a seamless riding experience. The Triumph Bonneville T120 features a robust tubular steel frame that provides excellent rigidity and stability, contributing to confident handling and maneuverability. Suspension components typically include a front 41mm cartridge fork and twin rear shocks with adjustable preload, offering a balanced ride quality that absorbs bumps and enhances comfort on various road surfaces. At the heart of the BMW K1600 GTL exclusive lies a potent 1,649cc inline six-cylinder engine, renowned for its silky smooth power delivery and robust performance characteristics. The liquid-cooled engine is equipped with electronic fuel injection and generates approximately 160 horsepower, ensuring effortless acceleration and highway cruising capability. With ample torque across the rev range, the K1600 GTL Exclusive offers exhilarating performance whether navigating city streets or embarking on cross-country journeys. Power is transmitted to the rear wheel through a seamless 6-speed gearbox, complemented by a hydraulically operated wet clutch system that enhances ride comfort and control. The transmission setup is designed to handle the K1600 GTL Exclusive's substantial power output while delivering precise gear changes and smooth engagement for a refined riding experience. The BMW K1600 GTL Exclusive features a robust aluminum bridge-type frame that provides exceptional stability and handling characteristics, even when fully loaded with rider and luggage. Suspension duties are handled by BMW's Dynamic Electronic Suspension Adjustment system, which automatically adjusts damping and spring preload settings based on road conditions and riding dynamics. This ensures optimal comfort and control, whether cruising on the highway or navigating challenging terrain. At the heart of the Honda Rebel 1100, Touring DCT beats a robust 1084cc parallel twin engine, known for its smooth power delivery and ample torque. The liquid-cooled engine is paired with Honda's innovative dual-clutch transmission system, offering seamless gear changes and enhancing overall riding comfort. The engine produces approximately 86 horsepower, providing spirited acceleration and responsive performance across various riding conditions. The Honda Rebel 1100 Touring DCT features a sophisticated 6-speed dual-clutch transmission, which allows for automatic shifting or manual control via paddle shifters. This technology offers riders the convenience of automatic transmission combined with the exhilarating experience of manual gear selection, catering to a wide range of riding preferences and skill levels. The DCT system enhances ride quality by minimizing gear shift shock and optimizing fuel efficiency during touring. The R1300 GS Adventure features a smooth-shifting 6-speed gearbox paired with a hydraulically operated wet clutch system. This setup offers precise gear changes and enhances ride comfort, whether cruising on highways or tackling challenging off-road trails. Riders can expect effortless engagement and control over the bike's substantial power output. Built on a sturdy tubular steel frame, the BMW R1300 GS Adventure ensures exceptional stability and durability, essential for navigating rough terrain. The bike's suspension system comprises BMW's Dynamic Electronic Suspension Adjustment, with automatic damping adjustment, providing superior comfort and control by adapting to changing road conditions and rider preferences. The long-travel suspension setup contributes to smooth handling and enhances off-road capabilities. The braking performance on the R1300 GS Adventure is robust, featuring dual-disc front brakes and a single-disc rear brake system equipped with BMW's advanced ABS Pro. This technology enhances braking control and stability, especially on slippery surfaces or during sudden braking maneuvers. Additional safety features may include traction control, DTC, and riding modes tailored to various riding conditions. Designed for long-distance touring, the BMW R1300 GS Adventure prioritizes rider comfort with a spacious, adjustable seat that accommodates various rider heights and preferences. The ergonomics are optimized for both seated and standing positions, facilitating comfortable control and balance during off-road riding. The bike features adjustable handlebars and a windscreen to minimize wind buffeting and enhance rider comfort over extended journeys.